Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So, very long time no see, and I don't want to make a big song and dance about it because there is nothing to make a big song and dance about. Basically there's no dramas here. I think I'll do a little post on the community section of my channel in case you are interested in hearing a little update since I've been gone, but all you need to know now is that I am very happy to be back. So if you are new here, hello. I have gained quite a few people since I left, so thank you so much for the support whilst I've been gone. Hello to anyone who's just clicked on this video. I will stop rambling now because you probably just want to see it. So today I am doing a video that was very popular last year, so I thought I would do it again, and that is my room tour at university for second year. I was packing when I was doing this, and also my room was just a tip, it was just a super messy week, so there is stuff everywhere. There is a lot of clutter is the word I would use in places where, okay, granted, some of it was there all year, but some of it was not there all year, and it is very messy. This is not a tidy room tour. Don't expect that. This is realistic when you are a very busy person, what your room looks like. Remember to give this a thumbs up if you like it and if you're excited to see my very messy room. Let's go. As you can see, before I started on my room, it was super bare. It wasn't horrible, but it's studenty, you know? You can tell it's a student room. The carpet's not amazing, the furniture's not great. So the easiest way to completely change up your room, and what I did, was put a carpet down. I also changed a few things like the curtains, obviously putting my duvet cover on, adding the lamp and little things like that before I even put my stuff in made such a big difference and made the room so much nicer. So on the back of my door I kept my bags, my laundry bag and my towels, and then as you can see here I have a super cute little sign that actually says newsroom. I also have all of my shower goods stacked up here on my radiator. Because our bathroom was really small, this is where I kept them, which I know isn't probably good for the product, but that is where they were because it was out the way but easy to access. And here I have my miscellaneous things. I have a little diffuser there, a couple of snacks, and then I also have a little tray caddy that has my everyday toiletries in it. I bought this 4-shelf unit from IKEA and I kept the rest of my makeup and toiletries and stuff in there in little plastic boxes. So on my bottom shelf I basically kept snacks and cookbooks and my drinks, and then above that I kept old files and things from last year. Under the clutter you can see I actually have a bean bag, which I used to basically keep clothes on but right now has packing stuff. Down the end of my bed I kept my tripod, my yoga mat and all my spare cushions, and here is my bed and my little bedside table which always had tea on it. This clutter, you might be able to see, this is where I keep my everyday makeup and things like that because the full-length mirror is there so I could sit right by it, and obviously there's a full-length mirror. Here is my little vanity table which has accessories and stuff on the top and then more clothes in the drawers. And in my big wardrobe I kept most of my clothes and I put some plastic drawers in them as well. Just like last year, I kept my shoes under my bed, and then I also decorated with some little fairy lights, which I barely ever used, but I also put them on these shelves, and it would have been a really cute touch had I turned them on. So thank you so much for watching this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it and gave you a bit of inspo, a bit of insight, whatever it might be. I will see you in my next video. Bye!